I think what made this particular project exciting for us is that we felt from day one this was sort of on the forefront and edge, if you will, of moving toward a more healthier environment.
The whole idea of stand-up desks, that's starting to just blow up. But nothing was addressing the fact that I'm standing up, but how do I take a little bit of pressure off my feet as I'm standing there working?
I think one of the things that we try to do with the LeanRite is take the idea of a chair, a stool, maybe a wall, something to lean against, but those are the different positions throughout the day. So how do you take these products and combine them into one to make it iconic and unique? We consider ourselves using a human-centered design process with all our projects, no matter what we're designing, and this was no exception. With a particular product like this, the ergonomics are extremely important for all the obvious reasons, and with any product, we're really trying to understand the user, the whole interaction.
I think the biggest design challenge was going from a seating position of about 23.5 inches to a stand-up back support of about 45 inches.
You wanted to make the adjustability seamless throughout the day as you would change your position or get fatigued a little bit to sit down or stand up.
Well, I think that the seat adjustability was important because we're actually leaning your back against it, and that was a primary consideration of this. And it had to be comfortable for the user, so we have a radius in the front. That was key to it. So it's all about this adjustability of the seat. So they didn't have to turn around and do things from their seating position.
As simple as it might seem, there was a lot of details to take into consideration, even the mat, when you're standing on the mat, how hard or soft should that mat be?
Also, as far as users are concerned, think about other people. It's just not stand-up desks. We're looking at people, bank tellers that are standing at the bank all day, or even people at the airport, gate agents. So they're standing at that position all day long. Let's give us some relief.
Sort of addressing, once again, the range of users that are going to utilize this, the environment that's going to go in, also the flexibility of changing out the design as well. You may not want black and red. So how can we customize this to different customers down the road without really changing up anything dramatic? We saw the opportunity to really sort of do something that would be meaningful and new to the market, and really made a lot of sense in terms of just where the whole dynamics of sort of a healthier lifestyle / office environment we're going. So we're waiting for these to come into production, and we'll certainly use them.